What's up, Hazel Gang? It's your girl Hazel Beauty, and I'm back with this high ponytail tutorial. If you want to learn how to achieve this style, keep watching. I'm going to use Edge Booster Gel, the edges, the extra hold, hard brush scrunchies, my bomb ponytail, coconut oil. I'm going to start off with freshly washed hair. First, I'm going to take a little bit of coconut oil and I'm going to put it all in my hair. Y'all, when I tell you this coconut smells so good, it's so good. It made me feel like I'm at the Bahamas and everything is just very tropical. Now I'm going to take my Edge Booster Gel and I'm going to take a good amount. A good amount. Hold on. Y'all don't do that at home. I'm gonna take a good amount and I'm gonna put that all over my hair. You see how that's getting my edges together? Y'all see that? Baby, I don't even need to brush this, but I'm going to. Get this hard brush or whatever you got, but this hard brush right here, this hard brush is the same brush your mama used, and it like pull your head back, baby. Pull your hair back. This the brush that when your mama used to comb your hair and she used to get your ear, that joint used to hurt so bad. But it's laying that hair down. Look how it's laid this look. Look how laid that is. Look how laid. Next, I'm going to use this extra hold. Again, don't do that at home. Oh, this junk thing, I don't need a lot. I'm gonna put that on my edges, cause I want them to be slick. And on the back of my little bitty beads, I'm gonna brush that in. Now I'm gonna take my little scrunchie and I'm going to put my hair up like so. Oh, this kind of cute. This kind of cute, y'all. And it's slick. Look how slick that is. Now I'm going to take another scrunchie and do a little mini bun on the top of my head. And secure that with my scrunchie. Now it's time to grab my hair and I'm going to clip her on and wrap her around like so. Now I'm going to take 1 or 2 pins. I'm going to stick it right in my hair so it won't like unravel. And there you have it. A quick 5-minute ponytail. If y'all like this video, thumbs it up, like, comment, and subscribe. I have all the products that I use down below in the description. Thank you for watching. Hazel Gang, we out.